Darjeeling, is known as the Queen of Hills. We get a very good view of Kanchenjunga, so we can enjoy the beauty and the fresh air because it's free of pollution. I was born here in 1963. Since childhood, I had a deep desire to serve people, and I felt that nursing gave me this opportunity to do so. And I was lucky enough to be trained by Dr. Srin Wangdi, who worked here for nearly 40 years. 24 years, I'm still working in the hospital. In remote areas of India, there are no proper healthcare centers. If we have to reserve a car and go there, we have to carry all the equipments. It's very difficult for us. So if we have a fully equipped medical facilities, we can move about more easily and we'll be able to help the people. It was in 2005 that we got a bus. The bus is fully equipped with modern laboratory. There's an ECG machine, X-ray machine is there. Through this mobile bus, we try to go to remote areas and try to help the villagers, especially where there's no medical aids. Most common test we have is for the sugar. Consultation is very small comparing to the one they are being charged in town. During the camps, actually it's completely free, and the medicine also it's minimum charge. And for those people who cannot afford at all, we try to use the physician samples without charging anything. Moreover, our camps are open to everyone, irrespective of caste, creed or religion. The majority of the patients they are from the surrounding areas. We have the Nepalis, we have Bengalis, we have Biharis. It's so colorful. Diseases are mostly asthma due to high altitude and because it's quite damp here during the monsoon. And we have the common cold, flu and diarrhea is there because of water, and a few cases of arthritis also. Yes, nowadays it's become quite common. We have a few cases of drug addicts also. On World's AIDS Day, we try to hold small camps in order to make people understand about this disease. So we try to do interactions with the younger generations and get their ideas and what are their feelings regarding AIDS and all. We have a television set there in the bus, so through them, when we do the camps, in the evening we try to show them some movies on AIDS, how it's spread and what is the prevention method. During emergencies head injury cases which is not treatable in Darjeeling, we are compelled to go to Siliguri for CT scan and advice from a neurologist. So we need to take this patient down to Siliguri. So with the road problem also it's very difficult. If the patient is suffering from a subdural hematoma, the hematoma might get enlarged due to this bumpy rides, So we have to be very careful with these things. So I feel we have the ambulance, but if the road problem is better, we'll be able to reach Siliguri faster and we'll be able to help the patient. I love doing voluntary works. If someone needs a blood donation or something, so I go there personally because it gives me lots of happiness that I was able to do something for the day for someone.